Aloha YouTube. Welcome to my channel. My name is David Jansen. Today is August 20th, 2020. It is a Thursday. The stock market has just opened almost 15 minutes ago. I don't know why I'm awake at 3:44 in the morning here in Hawaii. I don't know, I just woke up, I went to the bathroom, and then I couldn't go back to sleep. So I had some water, and I made a video that I just dropped, and now I am doing this video on a sell that I am doing within my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, and as I explained in some of my other videos, this is my volatile account that I have, my more stable account, with the majority of my money is with M1 Finance, so you can check out those videos. Also, if you want free stocks, check the description for Doe Finance, giving away free stocks on signup, as well as webull, and Robinhood gives you free stocks as well too. So check the description down there if you want essentially basically kind of free money, but it's free stocks, and you could end up getting Apple, you could end up getting Amazon, or you might end up like me with Robinhood. I got Sirius XM Radio, which is a solid company and pays me a dividend. I'm up more than I kind of thought that I was on it, because I only bought one share at $3.14 and the other share was given to me. So I might actually put some more money into it just because they're going to keep paying the dividend, and right now I only get 3 cents, but it was free, so I didn't think that I would put any more money into it, but maybe I should, as the stock is doing a little bit better than I expected. So I'm going to do a sell in this video. As you can see, for the day right now, I'm down $10.36. Once I do this sell, this will drop some more, unless some of my other holdings hold out for the rest of the day. Yesterday, I was actually up. This was about $2,030 something or whatever, and I was up a little bit more. But as you can see, things are kind of taking a dip right now. You can look at my holdings. Same philosophy. If Uber and Lyft drop into, 23 maybe, then I'll probably buy another share of them, just because they're potentially, more than likely, pulling out of California because of the ruling that the judge had in the state of California there via Uber Lyft. So that is, in my opinion, the reason why Uber and Lyft shares are falling right now. But I still think that they're going to do well. I think eventually they're going to have to pay everybody as employees, and Google is so heavily invested in Lyft, I think that they might take them out. So check out my video. I have a video on Uber and Lyft, in my opinion and theory, on what might happen to those two companies. So, and also, if you want to know more about my holdings that I have here, feel free to check out those videos as well. But right now, really quick here, I am up 77%. At one point, I was up almost 200% with this company, Sorrento Therapeutics. Some news came out, this week that was not good. One, a study came out from Yale on their saliva test. Sorrento Therapeutics wanted the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration here in the U.S., to approve their saliva test, and for whatever reason they decided not to, and then they fired their chief financial officer, their CFO. So I'm still up $11.50. So in my previous videos, I talk about what my strategy is for Robinhood. So if you're interested in what my strategy is for Robinhood versus my strategy with my M1 Finance portfolio, look at my other videos. But let's go ahead and do this sell. Right now it is up 24 cents, but anything could happen. So hit trade here, sell, and this is pretty easy to do. Let's sell all. I got in at such a cheap price, it's kind of hard to, maybe I should just take the profits from it. That's what I was planning on doing. So it's $11.53, so let's just take $10. So $10. So it's only going to take, because Robinhood does fractional shares, it's only going to take this fraction of it, not even a full share. You are selling $10 of Sorrento Therapeutics. current market price of $11.36. So getting my profits from it, I feel good. I feel fine with that. And then eventually I'll put this into something else. You know, I just don't want to, I don't want it to drop too much without me having taken that profit. You know what I mean? If I lose that profit, then it defeats the purpose of buying into the company. So, and with Yale University's saliva test being approved and Sorrento Therapeutics, you know, theirs was a 30-minute test just like Yale University's was going to be a 30-minute test. But for whatever reason, the FDA decided not to approve it. And now the CFO has been fired. So, and there's trouble at the top with management, and it's not, I know it's not the CEO, but chief financial officer, you know, what is he, laundering? You know, it just makes you wonder, and there's no details yet. So I don't want to wait while the price just keeps falling and falling and falling, and it might keep going up. At one, like I told you, at one point I was up, and you check my other videos, I believe it was 100% on this, if not even a little bit higher. Because there was another one here. Was it this one that was up 200%? No. Oh, that was terrible. Yeah, it must have been Sorrento Therapeutics that I was up at 200% at one time. So I would have to look at my previous videos to see. But that's the only other bio one that I have that I was up significantly with. This one has fallen quite a bit too, but I never really gained that much. I was always around 10, 12% up, and now it is dropping. So, yeah, it had to have been Sorrento Therapeutics. I would have to look at my other videos. So if you guys watch the other videos, put in the comments, you know, if this Sorrento Therapeutics really was at the 200%, or at least over 100% is what I gained. So, but now it's dropped down significantly. So at least I got a little bit of money from it, a little bit of gains from it, and then I'll decide if I want to put it into, I don't know, Stag Industrial is really where I'd like to put it because they pay me every single month. But this account really isn't for dividend growth, even though I do get dividend growth from it, from Starbucks, Stag, and this ETF MJ. And Siri gives me 3 cents. So I'm going to have to look and see if there's something else that's appealing to me that I'll put that extra money into. And then you go over here and you can see it says, we received your sell order. Yay, your order to sell is complete. So at $11.36 per share. So, alrighty, thanks for checking out my video. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Mahalo, aloha. I have a couple more videos coming, if not today, later on this week, for sure this weekend. I'll see you later.